Good morning Year 2 and welcome to Friday's maths lesson, our last lesson on multiplication and division for now. So before we get started, let's have a look and see how we've been getting on TT Rockstars and Maths Shed.
A big well done to everybody who's been on TT Rockstars over the last 7 days. Your name is up here and I'm going to go and put your dojo points on right now. And over on Maths Shed, a big well done to 2L, who are 3rd in the whole school. Well done you. And well done to everyone else who took part in Maths Shed and TT Rockstar Challenges this week. And back to today's learning objective of solving problems with multiplication and division.
So some of the vocabulary that we're going to need is division or divide, multiply, compare, less than, greater than, and equals. Now we're going to teach some of these animals how to use the greater than, less than, and equals sign and think about our multiplication and division. Let's do the first one. So this is in my turn. Okay.
Take a moment to remember what the greater than, less than, and equal signs look like. Remember that the pointed end points towards the smaller number. The open end is open to the greater number. And we use them like this to compare numbers of objects or numbers themselves. So this shows 48 is greater than 32. The open end is nearest to the bigger number. This one shows 25 is less than 42. The pointed end is towards the lower number. And then we've got two numbers that are the same. 33 is equal to 33. We're going to use our arms to make the symbols.
Okay, so the first thing on our steps to success is that we need to look at what each of the animals have got. So this one has got 2 2s. This one has got a 5 numicon. The next thing I need to do is find out the total on each side. So I can see that this one is just 5. On this side, we've got 2 2s. So I'm going to use my multiplication. 2, 4. This bear has 4. This one has 5. Now on my next step is that I need to compare them. Which one is bigger? Which one is less? Well, I know that 5 is greater than 4, so I'm going to put my sign this way. My open arms showing that 5 is the greater number. Whoa, what about these two then? Okay, so now we've got the number 13, 110, 3 ones, 13, and we've got 2 pieces of numicon, 2 10s. So we know we've got 13, 2 10s. Let's count in 10s 2 times. 10, 20. Which one is greater, 13 or 20? You're right, it's 20. So 13 is less than 20, or 2 times 10. 2 times 10 is greater than 13. Okay, now for the next one. Now, have a look at this one. Now we've got 2 number sentences, 5 times 2 and 20 divided by 2. So we've done our first step to success. Now let's do our multiplying and dividing. So 5 times 2, 5, 10. There's 10 on this side. Now this side, 20 divided by 2. I'm going to count in 2s to check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Stop. I had 10 fingers. So it's 10. 10 on this side, 10 on this side. Which symbol do I use now? Now I need equals. 10 is the same as 10. 5 times 2 is the same as, is equal to 20 divided by 2. Now for the next couple, we're going to do it together. So get up on your feet and let's have a look at the next ones. Are you ready? So let's follow our steps to success. Read each side first. Are you ready? So this side says 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. Okay, and the other side, 10 times 1. Right, let's see if we can work them out now. So 15 divided by 5, let's count in our 5s. 5, 10, 15. So this side is 3. Okay, and on this side, 10 times 1. So we're going to count in our 10s once. 10. Which is the greater number then? Let's compare. So we've got 10 and 3. Which way round are you going to go? Are we going to go equals? Are we going that way? Or are we going that way? You're right, it is that way. 10 is the greater number. Okay, next one. Okay, the next one. So look carefully first on our first steps to success. So we've got 2 times 4 on this side and 8 divided by 2. So 2 times 4, 2, 4 times 2, 4, 6, 8. The total on this side is 8. Now 8 divided by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 divided by 2. We should know really quickly that if the total on this side is 8 and the 8 is the number we're starting on this side, this number has got to be lower. Let's check and see how many 2's go into 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4. Which side are we going to have our symbol this time? It's going to be this side. 4 is less than 8. Last one, and then it's time for your turn. This time we've got a numicon piece. 10 times 1. 110 is 10. This side we've got 10 times 3. 10, 20, 30. 30 or 10. Which is the greater number? You're right, it's this one. 10 is less than 30 and 30 is greater than 10. Right, now it's your turn. You're going to see animals pop up on the screen. They might have numbers or numicon or number sentences. See if you can decide which way your greater than or less than symbol is facing, or whether you need equals. Good luck.
How did you get on? Don't forget to send us your videos or photographs of you making those greater than, less than and equal symbols and having a really good go. Right, if you'd like another challenge, here are some Chilli Challenges. If you'd like to have a go at Chilli Challenge 1, you could do what we've just been doing and show the symbol with your arms after working out what it should be. Again, for Chilli Challenge 2, you can choose whether you write it down or whether you just show it with your arms or tell an adult what it should be, but you've got 2 number sentences in each problem to work out. And Chilli Challenge 3, someone has had a go at this one, but they've made a mistake. I wonder if you can work out what it is and correct it. Here's your check then, Year 2. Have a good look. Did you get them right? Okay, so for Chilli Challenge 3, there were a couple of mistakes. One was a calculation and the other one meant that the symbol in the middle was wrong. Okay, so 15 divided by 5, unfortunately, that whoever did this had multiplied instead of dividing. 15 divided by 5 is 3, which means that the greater than symbol needed to go in the middle. Showing 60 divided by 10 is greater than 15 divided by 5. If you'd like to practice anything that we've done this week, thinking about dividing by 2, dividing by 5, dividing by 10, and looking at those odd and even numbers, if you go to Spelling Shed and then go down to Lessons, choose the Maths Shed, go down to Lessons, choose Stage 2 because we're in Year 2, choose Spring Term, and then if you go on Block 1, there are lots of resources there for you to use. And you can go into each one and there's a little game for you to play. Click on Start Game. So here's some footballs. There are how many footballs in total? So you've got to check. Are you counting in 2s, 5s or 10s? Definitely 10s. Count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Put the number in the calculator. Click on Go and it will tell you straight away if you've got the answer right or not. Okay. Then we've got to look at division. So here's some footballs. There are 60 in total. A bag can hold 10. There's our number sentence. 60 divided by 10 equals, and you've got to work it out again, counting your 10s, because I know that you've been doing it this week. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. There are 6 10s. Put your answer in the calculator, click on Go, and again it will tell you whether you've got the answer right or not. If you'd just like to have a go at your times tables, then there's a great section there for you to have a go, and you could choose 2s, 5s and 10s, choose the division, choose which level you'd like, and then press play. And there you go, there's your number sentence. 50 divided by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, that's 5. Click on 5 and then go to the next one. Okay, so 2 different ways to use your Maths Shed to practice all the things that we've done this week. Okay, well I look forward to teaching you your spellings next week, and I know you're going to start looking at shape with Mrs. Haynes in maths next week. So have a lovely weekend. Hope you get onto Maths Shed. I'll be having a look on Monday, and see you soon. Bye bye.